8 years ago, we planned the formation of Aksyon Dapat. This is technically 8 years in the making. And finally, we are here after we passed the COMELEC process of recognition. And today, magpa-file po kami ng, para formally makasali kami sa 2025 election. Thank you very much to our families. Thank you very much to our friends, allies, and let me also take this opportunity to congratulate all those who were accredited by COMELEC. And I wish all the party list organizations the best of luck in this coming 2025 elections. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.